In this tutorial video, we are going to show you how you can wrap the text in Microsoft Excel. Sometimes you will see that some text are not visible and not readable in Microsoft Excel. For this, we are using wrap function. Just see here, this is our description, but we can see full description here. And this is the link. When we enter any value of there, then it will show. Look like www. At this moment, it also not showing full text here. For this, we just need to select our cell, then go to the home tab. Here you can see alignment sub. Here there is an option which is wrap text. Click there. Look, the text has been visible. This is how you can wrap the text in Microsoft Excel and make your file easy to read. Thank you.